Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm testing out a little different setup today, so bear with me if this doesn't work out perfectly. But today we have an unboxing from the Knife Center, theorangebox.com. But it is from the Knife Center, so we'll get to that real quick. Quick question to all my viewers. How many people have ever heard of a Game Boy? Or a DS, whatever. We all remember the Game Boys. How many people have ever heard of a Game Boy Micro, though? Check that bad boy out, right? Surprising thing is, that's the actual size of this. So I got this a long time ago, just showing this off, just kind of geeking out. But here it is. Boom. Real deal thing. It was the smallest Game Boy Color, I believe. Game Boy Advanced. To ever come out. And, this is going to my buddy. He's a video game collector. Oh, look at that. Zelda. Nice. Who's jelly? So that'll be going out to my buddy. He decided with maybe his stimulus check he wanted to upgrade his little video game collection. So keep an eye out for these. This is a rare treat. So really awesome device if you ever got a chance to see one. That being said, let's get back to the knives here, eh? So I ordered something the other day. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what's in this order. I did place 2 different orders, so I might do some other boxings later this week. But sometimes you just buy knives because they have a cool name. I think this is one of them for me. So let's check it out. Right now I'm opening it up with the Kershaw Diode. Cool little Kershaw knife. Really dig it. I should have my review up of this one too pretty soon, if it's not already out by this time. So yeah, awesome little one with a nice little pry bar tip there. So we're going to crack this bad boy open and see what's inside. Remember, kids, always close your knives. Oh boy. Oh, there we go. Oh wait, it's taped on the sides. Come on, Moose. Learn how to do this correctly. Alright, so I got that. Give me some feedback too if like the audio and video quality is okay with this setup. I'm not using my GoPro or my Canon M50. I'm actually using a Logitech C920, I believe it is. Okay. Oh, all right. Did I order just one thing in here? I guess so. Man, they really packed that in. They want your stuff to be protected. All right. All right, so it is a Bestech, guys. And I am pretty much a fan of Bestech, so let's see what it is. It's the Eye of Ra. I don't know if you can see that. Boom. Oops. It is the Eye of Ra. Not used to using the C920. There you go. Eye of Ra. So let's see what it looks like real quick. This is kind of just a general first impressions. It does feel kind of hefty, so I imagine it's a little bit bigger. Oh, that feels solid. That is a... Oh my goodness. Alright, that is a solid boy. That, I mean, oh, that looks pretty slick, actually. Okay, alright. Ooh, action is on point. And excellent. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. This is the Eye of Ra. New offerings from Bestech. D2 blade. Deep carry pocket clip, G10 handle scale, stainless steel liners. That's probably why there's so much heft, but I mean they're fairly thin, and they got that cutout in there to make that eye shape, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, liner lock. Okay, well I know what I'll be carrying this week, and hopefully get you a review of this real soon. So yeah, leave your initial impressions too after seeing it down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know too what you think of this setup as far as unboxings go. Thanks, guys. Check out my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, share, and I'll see you outside. Peace.